going to attempt to fix this. Had a lousy plumber come, and I guess he did not do the job right. So let me see what I can do. Some of this tape, I think. I've also watched my handyman husband do this kind of thing, so I think this is the right tape. I think it's supposed to help it seal a little bit, I think. And I think this red ring now going there, and then this will go here and push it up. Right.